Hindi mo maintindihan kung ba't ikaw ang napapagtripan ng halik ng kamalasan. Dahil wala rin mangyayari, tayo'y walang mapapala. Huwag mong pigilan ang pagbuhos ng ulan. May panahon para maging hari, may panahon para madapa. Dahil ang buhay natin ay sadyang ganyan.
Hi guys, so before the actual vlog starts, I thought I'd make an intro. I thought I'd make an intro to I don't know what's wrong with me. To preface. Okay. I thought I'd make an intro to preface a few things. We got into NSPC last 2024 when it was held in Karkar, Cebu. And so it's been 1 year since. And I'm only now editing this video. And our category was collaborative desktop publishing in English, so CDP English. We were like 8 people in a team. Am I right? News writer, editorial writer, feature writer, which is me, layout artist, sports writer, cartoonist, photojournalist. Okay, we were 7. Okay, we had 7 members. A little bit of story time. Noong 2023, the original guidelines for CDP were that we were only supposed to have 5 members. We didn't win noong 2023 when NSPC was held in CDO, Cagayan de Oro, in Mindanao, and we didn't place. And so when we won noong RSPC 2024, now with 7 members, we felt the pressure because we had to redeem ourselves. And yeah, so I think that's also where a lot of our motivation came from. Now, in Karkar City, Cebu, I had a lot of fun. One of the added members to our team was actually a very close friend of mine, and so I had fun going with her and being teammates with her. And also, another close friend of mine, shout out kay Steph. So, she has been my journalism buddy since grade 5, and she finally got to the NSPC stage. I think this intro is getting too long, so I'm just gonna splice it to the relevant parts of the video. Say hi, Dad.
Hello. Hello.
This is the vlog.
The vlog. We're going to Karisma for the NSPC 2024
We've been here last 2019, and now we're going back.
Yes, after 4 years.
After 5 years. Wow.
After 5 years.
Ay, pricks naman pala guys ang maaga. As you can see, nakuha namin yung malaking bed. Sorry po sa makakakuha ng maliit na bed. Yes. And fun fact, itong room na to, ito din yung tigstayan namin nung NSPC 2019. Like, I legit remember this is the same room. Like, this is the same room talaga. So cool.
Hello. This is the road to Cebu, Karkar Cebu, NSPC.
Oo, nababasa niya yan.
Ito, 155 lang to guys.
This is 130 by 1 take 1.
Yes.
75 dito?
Kung pupunta po kayong Ginobatan, daan po kayo dito. Yes, kung saan man po. Yes. First day time! Napakita mo, reveal. Uy, ang hater mo talaga. Okay naman pa ga. Ayan.
It's Chuchu, guys. Chuchu.
Guys, kami dalawa po akong matalo dito. Ano, Gia, sabi mo? Ano, ganyan tayo ngayon.
Mga news na lang.
Ano kaya, Bob? Hi, this is Gia from the future. I'm editing right now and like napansin ko, there are literally no more videos, like no more maayos na videos because we were so locked in for the like 3rd to 5th day. I mean, we were locked in the whole time, pero yeah, we were hyper-focused kaya wala masyadong videos except for the like day 4 done, day 5 done. So yeah. Also, I just want to quickly insert how well-fed we were throughout the whole training. Like, the region went all out. Like, we had 3 whole meals a day plus snacks. And like the last day, we had this like Pika Pika booth, this whole Pika Pika station. And it was so, I love Region 5 talaga. I love training. We were just very well fed. Even though we were very stressed, we were very well fed. So yeah.
Now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Real or Packer? Real. Oh no! Packer! Packer. Oh no! Real!
Yung kaklase ko.
1, 2, 3, go! Day 3 done! Woo!
Model.
Day 4 done!
Wait lang.
Go na!
Putol. Wait lang.
1, 2, 3, go! Last day done! Woo!
Honey. Say hi. Good night. Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
Another game.
Red at gold.
So, ito mga color combi na ano.
Ito.
Kasi mga indecisive kami. Ito. Bakit 8:50 yan?
8:50.
Ano ibig sabihin yan?
8:50 a.m.
What are you most excited about to do in Cebu?
I want to eat lechon. I want to buy a lot of dried mangoes.
Ako din.
Yes.
Oo.
Because it's the home.
Pero may difference ba sa lasa?
May difference sa lasa.
Meron ba?
Meron ba? Hindi ko alam. Yung mga nakikita sa LCC, ng mga dried mangoes, ganun din naman yung Cebu, diba?
Oo.
So like technically, you can buy sa LCC.
You can buy.
Nakalimutan
So,
mo.
pero mas mahal kita.
Narinig mo yun, audience? Ito po ang situation. Yes. Ayan si Sir Mark.
Kailan namin?
따분한 고지식한 그런 사고방식 say 솔직한 마음만 너를 속이진 마 You and me 다른 꿈을 그릴 뿐이지 But you and me keep believing I live my life 이제는 그대 맞춰진 규칙 깨버려 뻔한 네 사고방식 I live my life 이제부터가 시작이야 내가 선택한 삶의 주인공 나 Keep living my life 새롭게 live my life Oh 어떻게 live my life 외쳐봐 live my life 빛나는 night better idea 자신 있는 표정 관리
Mutiso. Mutiso. Nasa Cebu na kami. Ayun. Susundin kami ni Tita Butch. At kakain nata. Yes, because it's dinner time. Yun yung mga boys. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello!
Yeah.
Ipanumpa kong titikabian ug pagahuktan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong di gyud ko mubuhi ang kinabuhi ko kanimo lang. Kanimo lang. Saksi ang langit sa mga mata ko nga nigyud kapuyon ug ang akong dughan kanunay ngalan mo lang ang sang pito no di ko magduha-duha og ikang kung mahulog ka andam kung mahulog uban di sana sa tadadon nining panahon ipanumpa kong titikabian ug pagahuktan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong di gyud ko mabuhi ang kinabuhi ko kanimo lang. Kanimo lang. Kanimo ako ang dalangpan, ako imong taming o ginagiban luyonin.
Magkasali sa? Magkasali sa? Ano? Glutinous rice balls made with
The high mountains of
of Italy. What about yours? My spaghetti has sauce. made with fresh picked tomatoes.
They're losing their minds, guys. The vlog, ito po ang sitwasyon. Magmi-meeting tayo. Ano pag-meetingan natin?
Hi!
Ha? We're currently at
Sano.
yeah, in
Car.
and we're looking for ice cream. And we want health section.
Hindi siya ng ano.
1, 2, 3. Pipili ko lang. Cute.
Best photographer.
Yeah, I'm so good.
Yeah.
When you see the pictures that Chia will upload,
Yes.
you will know it's thanks to me. Because
Hire niyo siya, guys.
hire niyo ako guys sa debut, sa wedding,
The grad.
sa grad.
Yan.
Hindi na kahit sa normal days lang. If you want someone to take a photo of you, call me, hit me up.
Sige. Ito, ilalapag ko dito yung contact details niya. I-edit ko na lang yan. Ayan.
Call me, baby. Call me, baby.
Hey, I just met you. Dun, dun, and this is crazy. But here's my number. So call me, baby. Good.
Oo naman. Paano tayo makakapunta? Kinain ko na.
Handa. Estimated time of painting is 1 minute. 1 minute.
I will... Sorry. Kung gagawin ko man yun, wala lang collab.
Yeah, so don't.
After na lang.
After.
Reschedule!
Ano po masasabi? This does not feel real, pero ang init. Yes.
Si ano?
Who's that?
Alam niyo, ito ko si Erase.
Oh my god! It's Willy Wonka.
You hold it.
Oh my god, it's Willy Wonka.
Sa bawat yugto ng pag-ikot ng mundo,
Bawat pagising mo, dito lang ako.
sa bawat paglubog ng araw ay ikaw.
Ikaw lamang sa puso, tanging isisigaw.
Oh, di gandang pagmasdan, liwanag ng buwan. Oh, sayaw tayo sa ulan.
3, 4, 8, okay, 40, and reaching 5.
I believe
In the profession of journalism.
the profession of journalism.
Tinig ng puso, ikaw lagi bukang bibig.
Bukas man ay suot, umibig.
Gaya ang nadarama.
Sabi niya, don't assume
Don't lie, don't cheat, don't steal.
Huwag daw mag-ano ng opinion. Ano pang saysay ng event ko, Ben? Ako na opinion editor. Ano saysay ng event namin?
She really came out here and like said, tinira yung mga opinion. Binantahan kayo guys. Pareho tong opinion editors.
To service prominent in
Noted. Noted with K.
Noted.
He's crazy.
Ladies and gentlemen,
This is so ironic, guys.
the governor of Cebu Province, Honorable
Sinong nanana.
All right.
Yung sa may ilong.
We may go through reams and reams of lectures, but in the end, confronted above all, let your personal ethics prevail. Indivisible province of Cebu. Daghang salamat. Ngayon, nauna pa kayong mga student journal.
Mula.
Ng ating balita. Information ang hindi
Coming from you.
kwento. Gumamit yung iba ng AI, huwag namin paniwalaan. Kasama. This is marami naman at mas na lang hindi na
NSPC experience. Walang time. NSPC. Kaya pa? I am dumbfounded sa mga speakers ng opening.
Hello po. Hello.
Oh my God. Such a cute.
The lighting here is nice. You are eating fries. I'm having soup. Macaroni soup. Kasi, sana naman.
Okay. At least wala ako namin. Welcome sa may mata. Uy, pwede tayo mag-glue song. Viva Dubi?
Viva Dubi?
Viva Dubi?
Viva Dubi.
I know someone like you.
Tapos biglang umandang. Tapos nahulog mo. You.
From the glue. Sorry. Background music.
Love stuck by you from the glue. Don't forget to kiss me, or else you'll have to miss me. Stuck forever by the glue. From the Ano po masasabi mo? Ayan. Kuya, ano po masasabi mo?
I would like to extend our thanks to the most super
Everyday namin.
Pag
na nga sa'yo. Ano po masasabi mo ay cartoonist? Video.
What can I say about one?
Wala. Everything.
This is a lifetime experience and I am so glad to be a part of this journey with my groupmates.
Ikaw, Ben, ano? Wala, video. Ewan ko din sa'yo.
And yes, he's national and global. Yes!
Ikaw, sige. Ikaw, AJ. Ano sasabihin mo?
Thank you so much for the experience. My whole hard work.
Ikaw, Pat.
I just want to say that I will miss CDP. The future class. Good luck. And
tatanong mo, be? Recording na. Anong tatanong mo? Oh, bye-bye! Ito yung record.
Okay, go! It has been full of senior citizens. Now signing off!
Mo, be?
It has been Cola Bilingual. Now signing off.
Ikaw lagi ang aking sasamahan.
R.I.P. Magellan, you would have loved.
You would have loved.
You would have loved Ferdinand Marcos.
You would have loved. You would have loved nothing.
R.I.P. Ferdinand Magellan, you would have loved the Chinese government kasi nagsasakop din sila ngayon. Yes. You would have loved them. True. You'd have loved the Russian government too. She wants to go to Holy Book.
Yes, I want to buy like Funny Angels. I want to buy books. Bibilhan niya ng kapatid si Bibi. Yeah, bibilhan ko ng kapatid si Bibi.
Ako, I'm gonna buy a Smiski. So
I have two POVs.
Yes.
1, 2.
There's Snoopy. And then may My Little Pony din. See?
I'm Bob.
Which Bob?
Here, this is Bob.
Ah, ayun, Minions.
Yeah, I'm Bob. Di na ako naging Bobby, guys. I'm Bob.
I'm gonna buy Snoopy kasi, yes. I'm gonna buy this and this. Yes.
First advisory class.
May plato dito.
Guys, so going to unbox.
Yes, I'm gonna unbox. Ano ba natin ito tagal?
Yeah. Can you put sa side? Actually, guys, fun fact, I was the one who saw this kasi sabi ko, I'm gonna get Smiss, gano'n, I'm gonna get a book. And then sabi ko, it's so
Shopee! Ito kinuha niya. Ito yung hawak-hawak ko guys. Tapos kinuha niya sa hand ko. Gano'n niya. Gano'n siya. Okay guys, so we're gonna unbox it. Nice.
Okay. Sana. Ang gusto ko makuha. Ano ba gusto ko makuha?
Show it to your viewers.
Ano ba gusto ko dito mo? Ang gusto ko makuha is either comic break, tsaka coffee and pancakes. Itong mga tatlong nandito. Yan gusto ko makuha. I get one of them. Ano ba ito? Ganito ba ito?
Yes.
Masira ba siya? Masira. Oh no.
Ayan.
Biglang mag-iPhone storage ko yan. Pakala ko. Okay, nakabalot
you do this. You know the ASMR?
Yes. Pwede na magiging
Okay. Dito talaga ito pala. Yeah. Open. Ayan na. Ano yan? Gusto mo?
Yeah. This is our road to fitness, guys. Ayan.
Real-time ano na ako update.
Grabe naman. Paano kung ganyan ang graphics sa TV ko?
It was at this moment, the night before the awarding, that I really started to feel the nerves sinking in. I know that we didn't just want to win, you know, for obvious reasons, but we also wanted to redeem ourselves and our region, as this would be the last year of us being a team together.
Goes to Region 5.
Steph's name was the first to be called in the secondary for Region 5, marking our first win. By now, me and my teammates were already bowing our heads down, praying our Hail Marys, and holding on to even the slightest bit of hope. When we failed to place the previous year, I kept repeating one thing in my head. Sometimes things don't always go your way, but that makes the moments where they do a whole lot sweeter. I think we were dumbfounded and just screaming in disbelief for a good minute. If not for the others telling us to hurry up and go onto the podium, I think we could have spent more minutes rejoicing in the bleachers.
For me, in that moment, I felt an overwhelming surge of emotions. But for me now, watching these videos back, I can't help but laugh a little and be emotional at the same time at the reaction of my teammates. We were so lucky to have this moment in time immortalized, to forever remind us of the moment of silence before they called our region, the screams of victory that followed after, and the whole out-of-body experience everything became. I wish I could say that hard work is enough to achieve your goals in life. But for campus journalism, sometimes it's a whole concoction of different things. Sometimes you studied every possible topic except the contest topic. Sometimes the printer is slower than usual. Sometimes Adobe InDesign crashes. In competitions like press cons, you are only as good as your last article, photo, cartoon, or layout. So what really counts at the end of the day is everything you did and contributed before and after. Press cons are an important launchpad for us to give back to the community. Even if not mainly in journalism, the skills and networks we've developed will ultimately be crucial for everything we decide to do next. I thought I'd share this NSPC highlights vlog of mine to have a keepsake of what it was like to work with people with the same goals as me. What it was like to be part of a team and have a shared experience and a shared passion. If you would ask me, yes, it did matter to me that we won. It mattered a lot. Of course, it's rewarding to reap the fruit of your labor. But I guess 10 years from now, maybe I won't remember how many medals we've gotten or overthink about what we could have done better. But I will remember how nice it felt to pursue a passion with other people that also helped other people. So even if in an alternate universe we didn't win, I know that me and my teammates would put our passion to good use either way. And that same passion will inevitably continue to guide me throughout my life. Thank you, Sabu.
Studio type. Yung may kaila yung studio type sa iya, may 1 bedroom.
Zumba yan. Kasi daw, pag nag-zumba ka,